Mister, Mister, Mister.
Amr, 1 minute, Amr. Mr. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm student grade 3A. Today we will continue in our session, inshallah, in Unit 7, Water and Weather. Okay. So today we have go to page 299, 298 is the work. We are in 299. Okay, I want to Ahmed. What do you want?
Mister, I raise my hand to answer.
Okay, anyone is ready today to the activity? Raise your hand. You are ready, my student?
Mister, inshallah, you will make experiment maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow.
As you like. Okay. Okay, can you read the question? Yes. Who raised his hand?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, who are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm okay. Who are you? Muad Amr?
Yes.
Muad Amr, are you ready today or you are not ready? I think you did the experiment before, okay? But I'm asking about the students in make experiment, okay?
I can
Yes.
make another one, Mister.
You can make one, no problem. Amr Ibrahim, yes. Amr Ibrahim, what do you want?
Yes, Mister.
What do you have any question? What do you want?
I don't want anything. I just raising my hand to answer.
Okay. Begin with the first one, please.
Okay. Earth is mostly covered with the salt water.
Yes. That's what? Salt water, yes, thanks. I will just make it larger. Okay.
Mister, I have
It's
a
like,
question.
yeah, we will write it like that, then we go to another question. Okay, and so on, my students. We will complete. Okay. So, my students here, thanks.
Mister, I have a question. I have a question.
Okay, what's your question, Amr? Just 1 minute to write this question first to the student, then you can ask as you like.
Okay. Why we don't page 298?
200, that's all homework, inshallah, for you.
298?
This homework. Okay, just we will begin with this one, okay?
Okay, Mister.
Okay, thanks. Second one, Farouk. The second one, Farouk, please. Number 2.
Number 2. When water vapor becomes liquid, is condensation.
Excellent. So here, let's write it condensation. Right, condensation. Yeah. Thanks, Farouk. You have a voice on your mic. Adam Abdel Salam, number 3, please.
Yes, Mister.
Adam, number 3. What evaporating? Can you read the question?
Yeah. What evaporation water becomes? Water vapor.
Excellent. Water vapor. Thanks.
Mister,
Yes, Adam.
can you start with me tomorrow?
Tomorrow, inshallah. You have activity tomorrow, inshallah?
No, I mean start with me to answer.
Okay, no problem. We start with you today also, okay? The same, the 3-1, third one, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Omar Ahmed, number 4.
Yes, Mister.
Number 4.
The movement of water from ocean to land and back.
What is this? Huh? Say the water, huh?
Water cycle.
Water cycle. Thanks a lot. Abdullah Ammar, number 5.
Water that fall from sky, rainfall or what?
I do like fall mean the precipitation, okay? Fall mean the precipitation. We said the last time.
Precipitation. Yeah, I know it.
No,
Precipitation.
it will fall in the form of rain, or the form of 1 minute hail or the form of ice. But it will fall, okay?
Mister, can I answer the other one because you answered this?
I will choose another one, no problem to make mistakes.
Please, Mister.
Inshallah, I will choose you. I had a lot of questions today.
Mister, just number 6, please, because
Don't worry about that. No problem, no problem. Because we have a lot of students may be angry, you know.
6. I know number 6.
I know, and this, you know it, no problem. No problem, okay. Thanks, Abdul. Ahmed Fauzi, number 6, please.
Number 6.
Found.
Found in rivers and lakes. Fresh water.
Fresh water, thanks.
Mister,
Yes.
why the computer can't make the words bigger? Because the circles take them.
but we will, you can ask your question, but we finish this, you can ask. Okay, Ahmed? We won't finish this one, then you can ask outside the syllabus, okay? No problem, you can ask, no problem. Muaz Amr, you don't answer?
Yes.
You answered?
No.
Okay, number 7, please.
Okay. Number 7. Clue. What flower underground?
Underground, what?
Underground.
It's easy, what is this? Ground?
Evaporation.
Groundwater. It is ground water.
Groundwater. Mister,
Yes.
I have an what?
You have what, Muaz? You have experiment today?
Yup.
MashaAllah. So we will finish this writing. Then we'll begin with you, no problem, Muaz. Okay. I will close now. Then I will open another time. After 2 minutes, you write it as well, okay?
Okay.
In your book, please. Okay. Okay. Inshallah, we'll return to Muaz Amr to okay, my students. We will continue with Muad Amr now. Okay, we'll continue with my forehead experiments. I will open where are you, Muaz? Okay. How are you, Muaz? Are you with me? Are you okay? Okay, Muaz.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? You can,
Yes,
this about PowerPoint or show or experiment.
Experiment.
Okay, you can open your video now and talk about but just you and the experiment. Not anyone in your home, it will appear, okay?
Mister, I don't want to open my camera.
No problem. Talk then send to me in my private WhatsApp your experiment, okay?
Okay.
Okay, talk about your experiment. I will write your name now. Continue, begin now.
Water move all around and the water cycle.
Yes. Continue.
Also, all water on earth in the ocean. Ocean water is salt water, which contain salt of source. It too salty for use to drink. Over many lives from live and salt water. Only the tiny bracket of earth water and fresh water has very little salt in the we need fresh water to drink.
Yes.
Many plants and animals need fresh water too. Rivers and lakes
Like
contain
river and lakes, thanks.
contains fresh water, but some of Earth's fresh water of zone. Water cycle is the never-ending movement of water between Earth's surface and the air is called the water cycle. I finish.
Okay, thanks, Maz.
You
That's
are
good.
welcome.
But I want to send to my sub, you write it in the form of notes of PowerPoint. You write it. Okay, no problem. Send to me and I will see. Okay, Maz?
Okay.
But thanks for your effort. The important, my student, to do anything. Because the experiment is very important in your life, you know? So, you must do experiments. Our subject of science depends on experiment. Not depend you read, no. We must observe. Observation is the first step, okay, to be a scientist, you know? Okay, thanks, my student Muad. You are excellent. Thanks a lot for your experiment today. Asir Muhammad Samir, can you read the question here? Okay, Asir. Asir, where are you? Asir? Durqadr Asim?
yes, mister.
Can you read the question?
Yes, look at the predicate of the
Pictures, listen. Picture.
picture of the water cycle add labels to show three processes that are part of the water cycle
Label.
that was wet,
1 minute. Label the salt water and the fresh water.
cold water, and the fresh water.
Yes. Huh. What do you label number 1 here? Lebron, what happened to water here?
He is hot.
Yes, boil with number 1. It will be what? I think we solve this question, Asadi, or no? We don't solve, okay? This is my student. This is called evaporation. This is called here evaporation. So write my student here evaporation here. Number 2. Okay, so number 2. Abdelkader Asim, are you ready?
Yes.
And number 2 is what after evaporation? What happened up here? You see?
Yes.
What happened? Huh? This water vapor, it changes to liquid. So it's what? Huh? It is
It's all content.
condensation. Yes, can you repeat?
Condensation.
No, condensation.
Condensation.
Thanks a lot. Adam Ismail, number 3. What happened, Adam, after condensation?
Yes, Mister.
Will
Precipitation. Precipitation.
thanks. Precipitation, excellent. Precipitation, thanks a lot. Falling in the form of ice, in the form of rain, anything. Okay. Thanks, my student, mashallah. Where is the Albra Yahya? Albra,
Yes, Miss. Yes,
Albra,
Miss.
number 4, please.
Number 4.
Yes. Or do you know it? It will change to what here? That in the river. So it will be fresh water or salt water? Huh? It will
Salt.
be fresh water. Then 5, my students here in the ocean, it will be salt water here. Okay, so my students here, the water cycle here, it will be the liquid, will evaporate, evaporation, to form a vapor. Vapor will condense, mean by cooling, change to liquid another time. This liquid, it will fall in the ground, it will be this process of precipitation. This water will soak into the ground, or it will form rivers, fresh water, or it form oceans, seas, and lakes, maybe lakes, fresh water, or lakes, it's salt water, okay? That's what we want in the water cycle here, okay? Okay, the next question, thanks, bro. Okay, Ahmed Saleh, where are you? Question number 5, please, Ahmed. Question number 5 in
Yes, Mister.
Can you go to question number 5 and read it?
Salt water.
No, question number 5, number 3, I'm sorry, we finished the water. Number 3. Do you see it in the book?
Process that are part of the water cycle.
Thanks, but number 3, the question number 3 in your book. You have the book or no? Ahmed Saleh, you have the book?
No.
Okay, no problem, Ahmed. Okay. So my students, I will leave you just when you go to question number 3. That's question number 2. You write this. Just take half a minute to write. Okay, my students will continue. Here is this question. We have another question here. What gives the water the energy it needs to move around the world in the water cycle? I want to ask you what's your turn. براء يحيى, okay. التهامي. Yes, التهامي. Can you read the question and answer another time? تهامي. التهامي. كريم عادل.
Hello.
Karim Adil, yes, just
Hello.
read the question.
Yes.
What gives water the energy it needs to move around the world? In the water cycle?
Yes, what? What give water the energy?
What gives water the energy it needs to move around the world?
What?
In the water cycle.
What gives the energy of the earth? Do you know?
What?
Do you know? What gives you?
I know.
Yes.
I know. Water cycle is needed after water falls and moves across land. Some water flows underground. This groundwater and surface water flow back to the ocean. More water in the ocean is heated and evaporated again. This never-ending movement of water between Earth's surface.
The word heated. What heats the earth? What heats?
Water cycle.
What heat the water cycle? What if we get the heat from what? Okay. What gives
It's fresh water.
to get the fresh water? What happened? Who gives you the energy?
It gives you energy.
Yes. Anyone know? You know Maran Amr? You know? You know Maran Amr? What gives you the water, the energy?
1 minute.
As you like. Okay. Hamad Al-Harbi, you know? You know?
I think that because we take
Okay.
energy.
Yes, Ahmed, you know? I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you. Don't worry. Taim, you know? I mean, any one of you. Yes. It is easy, my students.
Yes, miss.
You know the answer or not?
The wind.
The water energy.
The wind.
The sun. The sun, my students. Sun gives water the energy it needs to move around the world.
Mister, I said the sun.
What?
Mister, I said the sun.
Who are you?
Omar Mahmoud.
Okay, Omar Ahmed, you said the sun?
Omar Mahmoud.
Omar Mahmoud, you said the sun?
Yes.
I didn't hear you, but you are right, okay? That's the sun, thanks.
I
The
think
sun,
that
you write the sun here, my students. Okay. Okay, thanks. Thanks, my students. Marwan and all my students, thanks for all of you. Here is the scientists, my students. We will benefit from the scientists, okay? Here. In science, hydrologists study the quality and the movement of water on Earth, inshallah. They care about, I will see you scientists, inshallah. Do you see the scientists? We will learn from the scientists today. They care about and protect the water in rivers, streams, and oceans. Hydrologists test water to make sure it is safe to drink, to swim in. They help citizen farmers get the amount of water they need. They also help prevent problems from foods and droughts. You know, droughts mean there's no water. Hydrologists help design dams to make tea and sort to drain water. All of them, they are scientists. You can, okay, you can add why do number one. What do hydrologists study? Hydrologists here study the quality and the movement of water. The study quality according to this page. Okay, the study what? This one. You will from here and you write here the same question, you know. Why do hydrologists test our drinking water? Why? Okay, test our drinking why? To make sure that it is safe to drink. And so on. To make sure the same question here. Okay, to make sure they are safe to drink in number 3. And so on. You will, it's a question here and the answer here. You will benefit from the scientists, you know. Listen to talk about what is weather, my students. What is weather? I will give you an idea about the world of weather. We are talking about, my students, a lot of things about weather, like temperature, like pressure. Inshallah, we will go to take this lesson, inshallah, the next one. Okay, and next second, inshallah. Okay. So benefit from the efforts here now of the scientists. We'll go to the question to know, understand or no. Okay, I will begin from the first. Yes. Where is Amr Ibrahim? Yes, Amr. Can you read the first question?
Yes, miss.
Can you read the first question?
What do hydrologists study? Hydrologists study water.
What is in water here, Amr? Can you read well in the book here? What did the study do you see?
They study about water, the quality and the movement of water.
On Earth. Quality means the kind of water. It's okay or drink or no, like that. Okay, so hydrologists mean the kind of scientists, you know. Thank you, Samar.
Yes. Well,
Okay. Mahmoud. Question number 2.
Yes, Master.
Question number 2. This question, my student, for understanding, but you must understand. You must benefit from the science. Okay, Farouk, can you read the second question, please?
Why do hydrologists test our drinking water?
Why?
Hydrologists test water
Yes.
to make
Yes,
sure
why?
it's safe to drink or swim in.
So it is fresh. It is okay for you to drink. That's okay. It is not okay. You cannot drink it. No, Farouk. So hydrologists, okay, they are scientists. Study this quality and the movement of this water on Earth. Thanks, Farouk. Omar Ahmed Jazzar. Yes, the third question.
Yes, miss.
The third question. Omar?
How do
Listen, Omar. You can be patient. Hydrologists. Okay?
what, mister?
Hydrologists.
Hydrologists.
Yes. Help farmers.
Help farmers.
You go to the passage here. Help farmers in what? If you go to your down. Help the farmer to give the amount of water they need to see.
Test the water to make sure it is safe to drink or swim.
That is number 2. That's number 3. They need they help farmers.
And get amount of water they need.
Thanks. That's okay. They get the amount of water because this water is important to know, Omar.
Important for me and for all.
For all, and for plants, for animals. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says.
Without water we can't live.
What, Omar?
Without water we can't survive.
We can't survive. Thanks. We cannot survive because we will die. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala create from the water everything to be alive. وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. That's verses from the Quran al-Kareem. وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. So, my students, we must also keep in the water in our home. Okay, you must keep in each drop of the water. So the water is very, very, very important. Okay, not only for you, but also for all plants and animal. So water is very, very important. You learn from now from these sentences now. These pages, just you learn from this page, you learn. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
thanks. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, student, for good listening, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.